Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, November 20th, 2024. And ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be talking about a storm, not just a rainstorm, which we haven't seen in nearly 2 months, some places 3 months, but also snow. Yes, snow will be in the air, giving you a little bit of a holiday feel as we get ready to head towards Thanksgiving next week. Well, there's going to be a chance for snow in the air, even down towards the coast by tomorrow evening, especially on Friday. But for now, we have cloudy skies. Winds are starting to develop out of the east. They will veer to the southeast as we get to the afternoon, increasing to 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 40s generally over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. As you can see on our surface map and radar, not a lot of precipitation just yet. We have a stationary boundary here that will gradually head towards our neck of the woods and basically transform itself with this advancing cold front into what we call an occluded front, with a new wave of low pressure right around here starting to organize and intensify off the New Jersey coast. So, what is driving all this? Well, first of all, we have our visible satellite picture here, which clearly shows the increase in cloud cover. We have low level moisture starting to invade in from the Canadian Maritimes. We have mid level moisture invading from the southwest. And when we zoom out, you can see a couple swirls. Now, this right here is our upper level low that's going to be approaching. You see how these cloud tops are starting to get colder? This means that lifting is starting to increase. Rising air is starting to intensify. So this is slowly going to head towards us as we move on through the day. And then by this evening, it'll start to reach our area with explosive development of precipitation. In fact, we'll talk about this quite a bit tonight in the live chat, which will be at 8 o'clock. So hopefully see you there. When we take a look at the upper level winds, you can see the whole setup. Now, I talk about this extensively and break down the different levels on the premium video forecast discussion. So if you're interested in becoming a premium member, just check that out. Only $15 a month. This feature is a block, which forces this feature to dive south and redevelop a low pressure system along the mid-Atlantic coast. This area, which we call divergence and diffluence, is going to be shifting right over our region. And that leads to enhancement of lifting. And that enhancement of lifting leads to heavy precipitation. While that's happening, the atmosphere cools. We pull in a polar air mass at the same time. And the combination of that supports an environment favorable for snow to form. But be careful for those of you who might be looking at the modeled snow maps. The way that they develop a model snow map is take the mid-level temperatures, take the amount of precipitation, multiply by 10. You can't do that in this situation because it's warmer at the surface. So you might see snow in the air, but not much actually accumulates on the ground. So how does this look? Well, for today, clouds will increase. There's a few isolated showers here and there. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, and the New York City metro, lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro. Pretty nice, pretty comfortable for this time of year. For this evening, you're going to see this wall of rain start to develop here off to our west and approach us as we head towards midnight. That heavy rainfall is the leading edge of our upper level low. And there's our new secondary low. So this is the primary, this is the secondary. So as that starts to evolve, we'll start to see moderate to heavy rainfall developing throughout the region and lift through. Now, if that was just it, then this low would just exit, the upper level low lift through, and we just get maybe a half an inch and a half of rain. But because of that block in the Atlantic, it prevents this from leaving. So tomorrow morning, our low temperatures will fall over the interior in the upper 30s, over the suburbs, lower to mid 40s, and in our urban areas and right along the coast, upper 40s to lower 50s. You can see the wave of polar air trying to invade. This low pressure system can't exit because of this. So, what happens is tomorrow afternoon, that low pressure system intensifies, the precipitation shield builds back to the west, more of a isolated, widely scattered shower threat down towards the Philadelphia metro and southern New Jersey, more widespread rain around the New York City metro, building into the interior, and then the cold air comes into play. So tomorrow afternoon's highs will only be in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Again, the staggering of the polar air mass trying to invade. By the time we get to tomorrow night, that low pressure system lifts up into the Hudson River Valley. Cold air wraps in. We get another low pressure system taking shape over the Gulf of Maine. That cold air transitions to rain over the snow over the interior and the higher elevations, while we get a little bit more of a rain snow mix down towards the coast. So you end up with steady precipitation heads around the Poconos and Catskills by Friday morning, more of a widely scattered rain snow shower threat down along the coast, but still temperatures falling. By Friday morning, we're looking at low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s in your suburbs, upper 30s to lower 40s in your urban areas and along the immediate coast. So the polar air mass is taking control. This snowfall accumulation will be highly dependent on your elevation. The higher you're up in elevation, the faster you'll get cold enough to support snow accumulation, and the higher your snowfall accumulation. The lower you are in elevation, the more likely you just see snowflakes, but no real significant accumulation, except maybe on the grass and some car tops. By Friday afternoon, the storm is stalled over northeastern Pennsylvania with waves of rain and snow showers rotating around this low pressure system. It won't be rain and snow all day, but you'll have waves of the rain and snow moving through, with temperatures on Friday afternoon barely moving in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in the Delaware River Valley, and mid to upper 40s on the immediate coast. On Friday evening, the low pressure system starts to exit. Our rain snow showers start to exit. Don't be surprised to see snow showers or the sign of snow showing up in locations like Belmar, New Jersey, Trenton, New Jersey, New York City, but no accumulation. I want to make that very clear, but it'll look pretty cool. So that by Saturday morning, we're looking at low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s in your suburbs, and lower and mid to upper 30s in your urban areas. High temperatures on Saturday afternoon, variable cloud cover, a few lingering showers. Look for temperatures to rebound into the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in the New York City metro, upper 40s to lower 50s in the Philadelphia metro. So by this point in Saturday afternoon, a lot of this snow, which is going to have a very high water content, is going to be melting very quickly. On Sunday, the low exits. Look for scattered cloud cover, still a threat for an isolated shower, but for the most part, quiet. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, lower to mid 40s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. On Monday, scattered cloud cover with high pressure and control. Low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s. High temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s in the New York City metro, upper 50s to lower 60s in the Philadelphia metro. On Tuesday, a weak cold front swings through with a few isolated showers, not really looking all that significant at this point. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s in your suburbs, mid to upper 40s in your urban areas. High temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. And on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, looks like high pressure's in control with scattered cloud cover. Now, beware of the lake effect snow off of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. If you're in the Poconos and Catskills, a few of these snow squalls could be reaching your neck of the woods. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid 40s along the coast. And for a sneak preview of Thanksgiving, well, looks like it's going to be chilly, but not too bad around our neck of the woods. Again, keep an eye on some of those lake effect snow bands dropping through, let's say, the Catskills and the Poconos. That could give you a little bit of a surprise snow shower here and there. But overall, along the coast, quiet but chilly day for Thanksgiving. That is your video forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.